Hi friends, and welcome back. It's been a little while since we've been together, so I'm excited to be back for another workbook today. Today in class we did lesson 27, so that's the workbook page you're going to need for today. And we need 4 crayons. I've got green, purple, yellow, and black. Again, you're going to need workbook 27 and 4 crayons. Green, purple, yellow, and black. If you need to pause the video in order to gather any of those materials, go ahead and do so now. For those that are ready, we're going to jump right into the first part of our learning. We are working on parts of a whole, and we're going to talk about this hammer right here. There are some parts to the hammer. So our first coloring rule is for our yellow crayon. We're going to make a mark on the head of the hammer, yellow. Remember, that's the part that is used to pound nails. So I'm going to zoom that in for you. Your head is going to be yellow. Your next coloring rule is for the handle of your hammer. That is also the missing part. Remember, anytime you see dotted lines, it means to go back and trace in pencil. But for right now, you're going to use that black crayon to make a mark on the handle, black. Okay. So we have a yellow head and a black handle. Those are the only 2 parts that you must color. That is the must do, the hammer. But remember, the rest of the scene is a may do. If you'd like to go back and color the rest of it, that is a may do. Down at the bottom here, we're gonna go back and review the parts of an umbrella. Our first coloring rule is for that purple crayon. With your purple crayon, you're gonna make a mark on the handle, purple. That's the part down here at the bottom where your hand goes. This is looking a little more blue than I had originally thought when I grabbed that crayon. Sorry, let's make sure that it is truly purple. That was the crayon I asked you to get. Sorry, that is a purple handle. Your next coloring rule is for the covering. It's also the missing part, okay? They actually drew in the frame for you this time. There is no coloring rule for the frame, but know that that's what those black lines are. That's the frame. The covering is your missing part. Remember, anytime you see dotted lines, it means trace in pencil. And then you're gonna make a mark on the covering, green. Make a mark now, and then later on you'll go back and color all the way. Not very much coloring for today, so again, the rest of the scene is a may do. The umbrella is a must do. Go ahead and turn to the back of your worksheet. We are back in our restaurant for today, where I have 2 coloring rules for you. I'm gonna make a mark on one of those parts, but you're gonna need to make marks on all of them. So my first coloring rule is for all of the people. You're gonna make a mark on all of the people, yellow. Again, I'm only gonna make a mark on one. You need to make sure you make a mark in yellow on all of your people. So again, if you need to pause the video now, go ahead and do so. Whoops, dropped that crayon. Your last coloring rule, friends, is for your black crayon. You're gonna make a mark in black on all of your furniture. So remember, all of the tables, all of the chairs, that is furniture. Don't forget that one of those pieces of furniture has some dotted lines. It means you need to go back and trace in pencil. And then you're gonna make a mark on all of your furniture, black. That's the only 2 coloring rules I have for you. So if you need to pause the video, you can, or you can just be finished for right now, as long as you've made marks on all of your people, yellow, and all of your furniture, black. As always, we made marks, but don't forget to go back and color all the way. The rules are must-dos. The rest of the scene is a may-do. Don't forget also to take a picture of the front and back and upload it to Google Classroom. Until next time, friends, bye-bye.